Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do some styling in your MyAppPresser app. So the first thing I'm gonna do is log in. And your very first screen, it could possibly be blank. If it is, just go down here and create a new app, which I'll do. So you can just pick any. And then go ahead and follow these steps. I'm going to skip these steps for now. And go to this Customize and Build app. And to start with colors, you can easily just start modifying these here. And then just save your changes. This CSS box is for all the styles in your app. It's not specific to a page. So, but if you want to do any HTML changes, if you don't like this style of this list, then when you have many apps, like I do for testing, I always get in the habit of coming in here, seeing which menu I need to be modifying. Of course, if this is your first app, you're probably going to not have any menus selected. So oops. So the home page that I'm looking at, you can't see the very bottom, but the very bottom tab is this homeschool page. And you can modify any HTML. There's a lot of Ionic markup here, but you don't necessarily have to use Ionic markup. You can definitely use straight HTML in here. And just go ahead and, if you're writing straight HTML, go ahead and write any classes or IDs that you have here. And when you do, and then you want to style those, you just come back to this box here and add in your styling. In this case, I'm centering this image. So that's all the styling that you need to do in the app. Just know that these same styles, because one of these pages could be a WordPress template that you're seeing through an iframe here. So just know that these same styles that you're adding here also get sent to WordPress, and the styles will get put in there too.